In this video, we're going to cover 3 ways you can utilize AI in your business to not only help you grow, market, but also answer some important tax questions you might have coming that, well, April is just around the corner, so let's get into it. All right, so the first thing you can go ahead and use AI for, obviously, with April right around the corner and tax season coming up, is obviously any tax questions that you may have. So if you have access to ChatGPT 4 or Google's AI that has real-time access, you can ask it certain questions about your business and possibly deductions you can ask a professional accountant about that he may not be up to date about because he has so many different clients and doesn't maybe specialize in what it is that you do, or her. It doesn't matter, but these are some things that you can go ahead and look at in order to minimize the amount of taxes you have to pay and hopefully save yourself and business some money. Now, for marketing and things like that, one of the things that can be very difficult for people is trying to resonate when they're trying to communicate. In other words, writing copy for their advertisements, landing pages, websites, and things like that. One of the great things you can do and utilize AI for, as long as you have real-time access, and the reason why I say this is because it can also look at trends, is you can go ahead and ask AI to look at the most popular searched titles for your industry, ask it for its search volume. From there, make unique headlines that replicate those titles, and then you can use that as your topics for your videos when you want to create content or you're doing advertisements or whatever the case. And if you need help asking questions when it comes to prompts, you can go into Copy AI and create a free account, and it has prompts already generated for you underneath different categories that you might need help with, such as sales, marketing, advertising, landing pages, and so much more. And then finally, number 3, this is the best part, and I've mentioned this in another video, and you're more than welcome to go ahead and check that out as well, is the growth of your business. Everybody wants to grow, but they don't know the tactics, or sometimes they know the tactics, but they don't have the strategy, or they have a strategy, and it gets very confusing, right? And then, of course, you don't have, you have but so many hands. So with AI, you can actually take off some of those hats that you wear as an entrepreneur and utilize it to help you come up with a strategy, help you come up with tactics to achieve a growth rate of at least 20% within the next year. So think about that and go ahead and play with AI a little bit. And if you have any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more tips like this. Till next time, my friends, take care. Have a great day.